Here to bike vlog number 2. Today's just gonna be a casual bike ride, riding around, showing you around, and yeah, that's pretty much what it's gonna be. And I hope you guys enjoy my content. I am 10 years old, so I am not the best content creator, but if you guys think I am good, or at least even decent, thank you, because that is a huge help for me, because I'm trying to raise money so I could actually buy setup so I could get better. Because I'm not the greatest at life. Everybody knows this. You could be better in life. Be the best you can. Be the best you can be. That's all that matters. Okay, guys. So, yeah. So, yeah, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video. The video is very bumpy. It's because there's a whole bunch of bumps in the road. But I'm on a sidewalk right now, so it shouldn't be too bumpy, alright? It's bumpy that I'm probably going down a bump, going up a bump. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy my content, because I'm actually trying my hardest to please people in life. I try to please my siblings and my mother, and if you guys see people that aren't really supposed to be in the video, it doesn't really matter. Hey, they live here. I can't choose for them to live here or not. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. So let's get right into it. So first, I will show you guys Walmart, and I will show you guys my bus stop. I go to Deerfield Beach Elementary School. I have quite a bit of friends. Not the most friends you could have, but they're not the best, but they're my friends, and they're the best that I could get. Everybody knows that nobody in this world is perfect. So if I had a perfect friend, even they wouldn't be perfect. So yeah, guys, I will show you guys Walmart and my bus stop. Okay, so right here, guys, right here, this is my bus stop. This is my bus stop right here. And I will show you guys Walmart in a quick second, okay? So yeah, right here, this right here, this right there, this is Walmart. I have to leave Walmart because I'm not supposed to be over here, but doing it for you guys. Hope you guys like my content. And yeah, I am 10 years old. And I'm not the best content creator. Could be better, could be worse. Who knows? But I really hope you guys enjoy the video. And yeah. And if you go to my school, be sure to tell me. Well, you can tell me if you want to. You don't have to tell me anything. But if you go to my school, please do tell others about my YouTube channel. I am not. So yeah, guys. We've been recording for 6 minutes. And now I will be showing you guys my friends' houses. Sorry if you guys hear that a lot. My bike pedal is really messed up. So like, if I do a whole bunch of bumpy stuff, like if I go on jumps, ride over rocks, it really messes up the pedal. Because then the pedal is close to coming off when that happens. So yeah, I will be showing you guys a few of my friends' houses. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah. Sorry about all those trees we've hit. Alright, so right here is one of my friends' houses. Right there. That is one of my friends' houses. And then, hold on, sorry guys. My selfie stick got messed up, so I gotta fix it now. And yeah, we've been recording for 8 minutes now. If you guys think this is good content, please be sure to like and subscribe. Because sorry. Oh, jeez. A lot of stuff is getting messed up. There is supposed to be like a little button for this, but that doesn't really work well because the light turned on once, but the second time I tried to do it, it didn't work. So then it was messed up. If you guys think my content is good, be sure to like, subscribe, and hope you guys enjoy the video. I know I've said hope you guys enjoy the video a lot, but I really do hope you guys enjoy, because I'm trying my hardest to please people in life. Most of the time, when you try to please, that does not work. But when you do not try to please, you will somehow end up pleasing somebody. So that's what confuses me. So yeah. Let me show you guys one of my friends' houses. This is one of my friends' houses. They live right here. Right here. And yeah, they have a pretty good house. They're good friends. And yeah, that was one of my friends' houses. I showed you guys the other house. Alright, now here's another friend's house. Right over. Let me stop my bike real quick so I can show you guys. Right there. Right there, that's their house. Alright, there we go. And here's my dad's old friend's house. I'm not saying their friend is old, it's just one of his old friends. His friends from a while ago. Well, I don't think you guys should know this, but my dad passed away 3 months ago. 3 months ago, about 10 days. 3 months and 10 days ago, my dad died. Yeah, he died the first month of 2018. I don't know what day it is for you guys, but for me, it is either the 24th or 23rd. I believe it is Saturday, the 24th of March 2018. It is around 10 or 11 o'clock. And yeah, this is a bike vlog. I will do another video today because we are going to a party. One of my mom's friends, and we're gonna have a it's their daughter's birthday. I don't remember what age she's turning, but yeah, I'm gonna have to show you my other friend's house. This is the last house right here. This house right there, and my friend and my brother's friend's house is the house right next door. Not this house. Not that house. That house? No, the other house. Alright, here, I'm gonna show you guys it. Right here. This is their house. Right there. That's their grandma. And alright, yeah. I think this video's good. I'm trying my hardest to please people in life. Most of the time, never works. Never. So yeah, I hope I please you guys. You guys are my fans. May not have too much fans yet, but yeah. Alright, I'm just taking a rest, guys. Don't worry. Nothing's going on. Just taking a little rest in the shade. Alright, guys, I have to end the video off here. Peace out, goodbye.